Both traditional medicine and modern studies back up the health benefits of fennel seeds. 1. Digestive aid. Fennel seeds have chemicals in them that help relax the digestive system, which makes bloating, gas, and cramps less likely. People often take them to ease heartburn and help digestion after meals. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in fennel seeds may help lower inflammation in the body, which can be helpful for people with arthritis and inflammatory bowel problems. 3. Fennel seeds are a good source of nutrients like fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. These nutrients are good for your health and well-being as a whole. 4. Helps heart health. The fiber, potassium, and other nutrients in fennel seeds may help keep blood pressure and cholesterol levels in check. This is good for heart health and lowers the risk of heart disease. 5. May help you lose weight. Fennel seeds are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and eat fewer calories overall, which could help you lose weight. 6. Relief from menstrual symptoms. Fennel seeds have anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic qualities that have been used for a long time to ease menstrual cramps and other symptoms of menstruation. 7. Breastfeeding support. Fennel seeds may help breastfeeding moms make more milk, but more study is needed to be sure. 8. Oral health. Chewing fennel seeds after a meal can help keep your teeth healthy and freshen your breath. They may help stop germs from growing in the mouth because they are antimicrobial. 9. Respiratory health. Fennel seeds can help with coughs and asthma because they loosen mucus and make it easier to cough it up. 10. Skin health. Some people put fennel seeds on their skin or eat them to improve their skin health. This is because they contain antioxidants, which may help protect the skin from free radical damage. Even though these benefits may be true for fennel seeds, it's important to eat them in moderation as part of a healthy diet. Individuals with certain medical problems or allergies should also talk to a medical professional before adding fennel seeds to their diet or using them for medical reasons. You can add fennel seeds to your daily routine in the following healthy ways. Fennel seed infused water. Put a teaspoon of fennel seeds in a pitcher of water and put it in the fridge overnight to let the seeds steep. Enjoy this cool water with fennel in it all day to stay hydrated and add a little taste. Fennel seed tea. Soak a teaspoon of fennel seeds in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes to make a cup of fennel seed tea. If you want, you can add honey or lemon to make it taste better. You can drink this soothing tea in the morning or before bed to help you relax. Fennel seed salad topping. Toast a tablespoon of fennel seeds in a dry pan until they smell good, then set them aside to cool. You can add the toasted fennel seeds to your favorite salads to make them taste better and give them more crunch. Fennel seed seasoning blend. Use a spice grinder or a mortar and pestle to turn the fennel seeds into a fine powder. To make your own herb mix, mix ground fennel seeds with cumin, coriander, paprika, and other spices. You can add this mix of spices to grilled meats, roasted veggies, or tofu to make them taste better. Fennel seed yogurt dip. Add chopped garlic, lemon juice, salt, and pepper to plain Greek yogurt, along with ground fennel seeds. You can eat this tasty yogurt dip with whole grain crackers or fresh veggies for a healthy and protein-rich snack. Fennel seed stir-fry. Toast the fennel seeds in a dry skillet, then add them to your best stir-fry recipe with broccoli, tofu, or lean meat. The fragrant taste of the fennel seeds will make the dish taste better overall. Fennel seed oatmeal. Add a teaspoon of fennel seeds to your oatmeal in the morning and top it with your favorite things, like nuts, fresh fruit, and honey. In addition to giving your breakfast a unique taste, the fennel seeds are also good for you. Fennel seed roasted nuts. Mix nuts together and add honey, a little olive oil, and ground fennel seeds. This will make a tasty snack. For a tasty and healthy snack, roast them in the oven until they are golden brown and smell good. The above are some ways that you can use fennel seeds in your daily life. Feel free to try new things and be creative with how you use this spice. Although fennel seeds are good for you in many ways, there are some people who shouldn't eat them or should limit how much they eat. Reactions to allergens. If someone is allergic to plants in the Apiaceae family, like celery, carrots, or mugwort, they might also be allergic to fennel seeds. If you know you are allergic to these plants, you should stay away from fennel seeds to avoid getting sick. Women who are pregnant. There are chemicals in fennel seeds that may stimulate the uterus and cause cramps. Women who are pregnant shouldn't eat a lot of fennel seeds, especially when they are taken as medicine in the form of supplements or concentrated oils. But using fennel seeds in small amounts for cooking is usually thought to be safe. But it's always best to talk to your doctor before taking any plants or supplements during pregnancy. Women who are breastfeeding. People have long thought that fennel seeds can help breastfeeding moms make more milk, but there isn't much scientific evidence to back this up. Another thing is that a lot of fennel seeds might get into breast milk and hurt the baby. Women who are breastfeeding should talk to their doctor before using fennel seeds for this reason. Kids. Infants and young children should not eat fennel seeds, especially in concentrated forms, because they could choke or have other bad effects. It's best not to give young children fennel seeds or goods with fennel in them unless their doctor tells them to. People who have conditions that make them sensitive to hormones. Phytoestrogens are chemicals found in fennel seeds that may act in the body like estrogen. People who have diseases that are sensitive to hormones, like breast cancer, uterine fibroids, or endometriosis, should be careful when eating fennel seeds and talk to their doctor first. People who have problems with bleeding. There are chemicals in fennel seeds that may thin the blood. People who have problems with bleeding or who take medicines that thin the blood shouldn't eat a lot of fennel seeds, because it may make them more likely to bleed. People who have gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Some people with GERD may find that fennel seeds make their symptoms worse, like bloating or acid reflux. It's best to limit or avoid eating fennel seeds if you have GERD or any of these symptoms. It's important to use fennel seeds in moderation and talk to a doctor before starting any new supplement or herbal remedy, especially if you already have a health problem or worry. Thank you for joining us on Herbalist channel today. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring on your journey toward better health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on herbal remedies, health tips, and nutritious recipes. Remember, nature has provided us with incredible healing properties through plants, and we're here to explore them together. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned to Herbalist channel. Take care.